Hi class, in this video I'll show you how to do number 6 on your chapter 6 applicant homework. So the question started that showing the labor market for research assistants. The equilibrium price is $10 and the equilibrium quantity is 100. What you want to do is to start in this table over here in this graph and then change your wage to $10. And then once you change your wage to $10, you're going to see this equilibrium. Let's change this back to 0. You're going to see the equilibrium. So at $10, our quantity demand is 100. Our quantity supplied is also 100. So this $10 over here is our equilibrium for the marketplace. Now, and then we have this demand shifter and supply shifter. So we're gonna do a combination of different tax paid by employers and tax paid by workers to see how does our wage change and how does our quantity change in the marketplace. So we first start with $2 tax levy by the employer, and then $0 tax levy on workers. So what you want to do, go over here, put in 2. Let me close that one. So this one is 2, and this one 0. So this is the first case. Now if you notice, once you put a $2 tax levy on employers, our demand curve shift to now we call this one D minus X, or D minus tax. So on the D minus tax, the new equilibrium, our new equilibrium, the quantity is 75, the price is $9. So over here we put $9 for the wage, and then 75 for the quantity hired. Now to find your wage plus employer tax, so we take this $9 wage plus our $2. So how much employer pay will be $11, and then the wage minus worker tax. So this is our wage, $9. So workers' tax is $0. So 9 minus 0 gives you still 9. And then second, we have the 0 and 2. So $0 paid by employer, $2 paid by the workers. So 0 and 0 over here. So 0 and 2. So now we have a new supply curve, and this one right here, the S plus tax, that's our new supply curve. On the supply curve shows that our quantity is still 75, changed to 75, and our new price is 11. So which say the wage is now become $11. The quantity is still 75, and then for the wage plus employer tax, employer pays 0 tax. So 11 plus 0 give you 11, and then next the wage minus workers tax, the worker tax is 2. So 11 minus 2 give you $9. And the last one I'm gonna do 1 and 1, so half and half. So $1 on the payer, employer, and then $1 on the workers. So if it's 1 on 1, our new equilibrium will be this point over here. It shows 75 quantity and $10 for price. So we're gonna put $10 for price, $75 for quantity, and then now your wage plus employer tax. So employer tax in this case is $1. So 10 plus 1 give you 11. And the next one, your wage minus worker tax, wage against $10 in this case. So 10 minus 1 give you just 9. So 9 right here. Okay, so this is our table. And then next part of the question, so suppose government doesn't want to discourage workers from employer from hiring a research assistant, and therefore wants to minimize the share of tax paid by employer of the 3 tax proposal, which is best for accomplishing this goal. Now if you notice that for every single case over here, our number of hires is the same, 70 to 75, and then your how much wage paid by wage paid by workers plus employer tax and wage minus worker tax is all the same. So it doesn't matter which one you use, the end result will be the same. So the answers for this one should be none of the proposal is better than the other one. So let's check our answers. Good and good. Okay. All right. So this is the answer for number 6. If you have any questions about this number 6 or need some clarity, send me an email. I reply to you as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you very much.